Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make tuna macaroni salad. Millions of people around the world have loved my recipe for macaroni salad. Today I'm putting a little spin on things and giving you a tuna version that you'll love just as much. To start, you'll want to get 1 pound of macaroni pasta cooking in a large pot according to the package directions. That should take about 7 to 8 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna put together our sauce. Macaroni salad is all about the sauce. I start with 1/2 cup of mayo. You want just enough mayo, but not too much. You don't want it to be overpowering. Followed by 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance the acidity, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and then my favorite ingredient, 1/4 cup of minced dill. Whisk this all together. Dill is especially good paired with tuna, so this is gonna be super delicious. Next, you'll want to drain your pasta, and then we'll rinse it with cold water. You wanna rinse off all the starchiness so the pasta doesn't stick together, and you want your noodles to be nice and cooled off. And then pour your pasta into the bowl with the sauce. Then it's time for all of our fixins. You'll need 3 5-ounce cans of tuna, and I like to use a high quality tuna for this. It makes a really big difference. So I use solid white albacore. So I'll scoop that in. And then our other fixins, 5 deviled eggs that you've diced up, 1 cup of thawed frozen peas, 4 ribs of diced celery for some crunch, and 1/2 of a red onion, and I've minced that so it's nice and small. Then all that's left to do is stir this all together. You want to really dig deep down in there so that you get your sauce. Make sure everything gets evenly dispersed. Cover the bowl with some plastic wrap, and then we'll pop that in the fridge and let it chill for 1 hour. Then after an hour, when it's nice and chilled, we're ready to serve, so I'm gonna actually transfer mine to a serving bowl so it's a little bit prettier. And then we are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.